Okay. Successfully made it across the river again. Just the perfect day.
Oh, he's gone off exploring.
You tired, old man? You're not doing so hot on stick fetching numbers today. He is. Ready? He always gets after it. Never gives up. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, his dog butt pointed right at the camera. Oh, Axel. Just getting carried right down river. All day long. A couple of years ago we would bring him out here and he would just sit right in that current right there and just paddle against it. And he could pretty much keep up with it. And now we're going to have a snack of some grass. And probably roll in some sand before the day is over. Okay. Say bye, River.
Oh, I'm about to let my boob out.
I know. Why do you think I spun around so fast?
Excuse me.
Okay.